Right, welcome along to another Lights Up, Lights Down YouTube channel video, and today we're in sunny Birmingham. Yeah, we're at the Restoration and Classic Car Show, and we're doing a little video. So today we have bought up, you can see Gareth in there, give a wave. Like, we've bought this up to go onto the MX-5 Owners Club stand, which is our track car, and yeah, and Ian, who's running runs the MX-5 Owners Club with some other people. He's sort of organising this weekend. He hasn't seen this car yet, so what I'm going to do is we're going to drive it in and get his reaction and do some filming in the show. So let's go and give him the surprise of his life for his lovely example of an MX-5 on show at the MX-5 Owners Club Owners Club stand.
Have you got your ridge jacket?
Oh yeah.
I think it's getting to look like that.
It has.
It actually has, yeah.
It has, yeah. yeah.
Uh,
It hasn't been washed, I think, for 8 or 9 years. That side's better.
is it?
Yeah.
I like the stitches.
Yeah. This side's bashed up more.
Oh, yeah. I think this is brilliant the way you've done that.
Yeah.
It's like a band-aid stick on.
Yeah, there's that.
Right, carry on, Dad.
We bought our best one. We bought the best one we got.
I bet it drives sweet though, doesn't it?
Of course it does.
I bet it drives sweet.
Where does he want it?
I don't know what he's doing. It looks like we'll probably be over there.
I bet it drives sweet as a nut, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, I bet it does. They always seem to. The rougher they are, they just seem to drive better.
We're doing a sort of reaction cam to it because
Oh, yeah.
not many people have seen it.
No, but what you got to remember though, there's patina.
Yes,
Patina.
it's actually got living algae with follicles growing on it.
So you brought paracetamol with you.
Yeah, don't touch. You might catch something. You won't believe.
I will get this buffed up.
You won't believe
Holy crap.
how much attention this car gets.
Right up. Recording, please.
These are actually living crustaceans.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
Not really kill them.
Yeah, no. So I've got a sign saying please do not kick me. There's been a few shows where people like started kicking, but that's actually growing on the paintwork.
So you need to get the environmental survey done for you.
Yeah,
We'll have this one back up and we're actually training with them.
that's what I said, sort of like the restoration and classic car show.
We're not doing
Yeah,
anything.
you'd be surprised, like, it's nice having cars like that. At the same time, there'll be people walking by going, what's all about it? Like, how, I mean, it's taken years to get it.
Genuine.
Yeah. So I wanted to get a reaction cam from everyone.
Wasn't what you were expecting. No, I didn't know what to expect.
I did try and paint a realistic picture of it,
Great,
but I think, being the restoration show,
we're not restoring it.
yeah, no, it's good to have it like that. Cool. All right. Well, we're at the show now, so we'll do some more filming and we'll catch you in a minute. It's the next day at the Restoration Classic Car Show, and we're on the MX-5 Owners Club stand, and we're here with Danny.
Are you alright?
And he's got his lovely Mark 1 here. It's been. I've had a look at it like the past couple of days, and you've been working on it as well, haven't you? With this guy here. And do you want to tell us what it is, the story of the car and what it is that you've been doing to it?
Yeah, well, for this weekend, we've been swapping it out from a 5-speed transmission and opened it to the Mark 2.5 6-speed and the limited slip tip Torsen. Basically because I've done turbo conversion, so I wanted more drivability, a bit more strength in the transmission.
Let's go and have a look at the engine bay while you got it. So you can see it's a lovely colour. What colour is this?
It's a complete custom one-off.
Oh, it is?
I wanted this just for me. It's what I do for a living.
So you're a painter?
I'm a painter, yeah.
No wonder why.
I wanted it just something for me, for no one else.
Yeah. So Danny's got a turbo, all the normal bits and pieces. What sort of power is it running? Is it just sort of like
around 250 hours?
Yeah, to be honest, you really don't need any more in that in an MX-5. I mean, more is fun, but that's still quite drivable.
It's drivable and it's nice, and it still shocks a few people.
Yeah. That's the fun thing about it is they do, don't they? And when it looks like this as well, it can just completes the package. So what lights are these you got on here?
The 90s brainstorms from America.
Yeah.
They'd originally come with a set of these on the car, but they were knackered. So I've imported these from a lad in Texas who had a few sets.
Yeah.
To keep with the period correct parts for the car.
Yeah. So it looks like you really have gone to town on this. You can see all the engine bays all been painted.
Yeah. Never intended to go this far.
That's what happens though, isn't it? You think I'm just going to do this, I'm just going to do that, and then it just escalates, doesn't it?
It was just a cheap car that was extremely clean. Just wanted painting.
Yeah.
Chuck a couple of grand in it, it'll be done. It was supercharged on the motor, and then it's sort of spiraled.
So do you prefer turbo or supercharged?
So the turbo.
Yeah.
I had the supercharger. Went to NA for 6 months maybe. This is just a completely
there's just so much more tunability with the turbo, and it's
brilliant. I do miss the supercharger behind them.
Yeah.
Love that noise.
So these wheels, these are nice.
Yeah, the work whips. I ordered them directly from Work themselves in Japan to the spec I wanted for the car.
Yeah.
Mainly so that I didn't have to roll the arches. I wanted them to sit nice, but no roll.
Yeah. Do you know what? I'm gonna be honest here. I don't normally like chrome or shiny stuff, but it really does work well on here.
Yeah.
With this colour, and I do like it.
Chrome when I got it.
Hey?
Everything was chrome.
Was
on the
it?
Car. There was no bloke who'd had it previously.
Yeah. No, it suits the colour.
Yeah.
I think you've done it. I think you've picked a
I
combo.
like the subtle bits, but not too much.
Yeah.
So I've tried to get everything to a sort of period. Looking, even the fuel caps period.
Yeah.
From the 90s, and there an 80s to 90s wheel.
Yeah, I think we commented on this the other day that you've got that
Yeah.
very, very shiny. Yeah, nice. What about the interior bits?
It was tan. The car was green. I just wanted it black.
Yeah,
Nothing
I'm with you on that.
fancy.
You haven't hit that age yet for tan.
No, it couldn't have been a worse colour combination for me.
Yeah, it's a love or hate. I think, depending on what age you are, it's a colour that I think that you like.
Yeah.
I've never been a tan
My
interior
granddad
person.
shouted at me for getting rid of it, and I couldn't wait.
Who
to
shouted
get
at you?
My granddad.
Oh, did he?
For getting rid of the chrome and the tan.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted it subtle. I don't like it. It's too bright. I like it feeling a bit more compact.
Yeah, it's lovely. Okay. And then so this weekend, you've been putting the 6-speed gearbox in, haven't you? Which is all your old gearbox is sitting over here, and you've been underneath the car, haven't you, for like the past 2 days?
Yeah.
Just,
It's
not a 2-day job, but it's something that you've just enjoyed doing with your friends and stuff. Yeah.
See as well. So it was something we could have done in a day. It was just nice to get people involved, asking questions, showing them that it can be done.
Yeah.
On axle stands on the drive.
Yeah.
That's all we've done.
Yeah. So basically, at the Restoration Classic Car Show, that's basically what goes on at the stands. Guys like Danny working on the cars, just having fun and just talking rubbish all day, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty much.
Cool. Are you winding me up? Are you winding me up?
Like what?
You don't get the joke here.
Are you having fun, Wayne?
I get it now.
Cool. All right. Well, cheers for that.
Oh, thank
cheers
you.
for chatting to us.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Cool.
All the cars owned by enthusiasts, all under the age of 25. Isn't that brilliant? And they've done the same again this weekend. So this award for supporting the next generation, and they are so good at doing it, goes to the MX-5 Owners Club. Well done. What a vote. You're right. Well done, we've got one more from the club photographer. Fantastic work, guys. Hello, Ian. How are you, mate? Yeah, Ian there doing an incredible job. Is it brilliant to see? We know the hobby's in a good place when you see stuff like that, and I'm delighted to say in East.
Right, I've moved up into the auction bit area of the show. I wanted to go through a few cars which I've seen that I sort of personally like, which I think you guys might like, and then talk about them and then just see what they went for. So this one was actually quite special to Gareth. I think his mum and dad had one of these when they came out. Escort XR3. So 1983 Ford Escort XR3 TF, one of only 500 produced by Ford of South Africa to celebrate the span of Ford's team. So it was estimated between 10 and 12. I've had a look online, but it doesn't say how much it's gone for. Black Toyota MR2. Turbo, this one. So 1990 Toyota MR2 GT Turbo, estimated between 8 and 10 grand. Guess how much it went for?
Lot number 214, it's the 1990 Toyota, it's the MR2 special edition here, the GT Turbo T-Bar for you. As you present the example here, of course the very limited edition numbers here. Both with manual gearbox, of course that T-Bar roof as well and turbo tower. Interest here with me then, I can start the bidding here then at just 4,500 my opening bid at 4,005. 4,005, 4,008, yes, 4,008. 4,008. Go 5 anywhere else, so 4,800. For the MR2, then at 4,800 go 5. 4,800. Was there another for you? Then at 4,800 go 5,000. 3 of you wait online, then at 4,800. Who wants 5? Any more bids now at 4,800 open? Go 5,000, surely at 4,008. Any further bids now at 4,800? Still looks good value at 4,800 open. Just another 200 at 4,800. Any further bids now at 4,800? Well, you surprised me then. At 4,800, if there's no better bid than at 4,800, 5,000 Wimborne you're in now. 5,000. 5,000. At 5,000. Sell the car then at 5,000. Was there another 200 for you standing then? You're going to miss it, but at 5,000, I'll sell to the online bidder then at 5,000. You're absolutely sure then? Well, thank you for your bids then. Sell it to you online then at 5,000. 5,000, that's yours online. 21921.
Jesus, that was cheap. I have got lists for some of the cars that I'm going to talk to, but yeah, these are nice cars. I think you can always tell the difference between a turbo and a non-turbo as these louvers are raised. Renault Williams Clio, Phase 1. These were nice cars when they came out as well. So this sold for 23,000. These are going up in value quite a bit. Audi Quattro. looked online. This hasn't sold yet, so I don't know how much this is going to go. It's a lovely pearl white. See how much is it expected to go for? Between 45 and 50. One of only 295 right-hand drive UK cars. This pearlescent white 20 valve R is offered from long-term ownership. It's nice, that is. I think this is my favourite one that I'm doing. If I had some money and had spare cash, I wanted to add something to a garage, would be this Renault 5 GT Turbo Raider. Estimated between 15 and 20. It went for 25. Final edition. These were lovely cars. Look at it. An economical, fun, fast hot hatch. Thanks. Awesome. Lovely Herbie car. So a 1960 Volkswagen BT, 9,000 miles, estimated between 15 and 18,000. Line. Looks super clean as well. You can always tell that. These seams at the top there. That was worth way more. That's worth way more than £5,000. Someone has just literally bought themselves a bargain. That is not worth £5,000. That was £8,000 all day long. Oh, I actually felt like putting my own hand up and going on that. Anyway, that's been the Restoration and Classic Car Show. Hope you've enjoyed the video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.